Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Printerbase, and today I'll be looking at Brother's flagship A3 colour inkjet printer, the MFC-J6910DW. This machine really is the bee's knees of Brother's A3 inkjet multifunction range and can do pretty much everything the massive departmental copiers can, but for a fraction of the price. Okay, it's not going to be as quick or as robust as something costing many thousands of pounds, but for just a few £100, it's extremely good value. If you need to print, copy, scan and fax regularly onto both A4 and A3 paper, you'll want to avoid machines with a single tray, because trust me, switching the different paper sizes in and out of one tray will drive you crazy. Good news, with the Brother MFC-J6910DW, you'll get two separate 250 sheet paper trays, so you won't need your own padded cell just yet. So let me show you what else you'll get. Here on top we have the automatic document feeder, capable of handling up to 35 sheets of A3 paper. If there's something that can't be fed through the ADF, there's also an A3 glass platen. We'll be doing a few photocopies later. Looking at the front, you'll notice an 8.3cm colour touchscreen display and several buttons to work alongside it. There's a front USB slot here for connecting a flash pen drive or PicBridge digital camera, and also a multi-card reader. The output tray is here with the two input trays underneath. I think at this point we should come in for a closer look. Welcome back. I've just sent an A3 print job to the machine, which is just coming out as we speak. This is in draft mode, but it gives you an idea of what you can get just in the very basic of modes. If you do decide you want something that is in a higher resolution, you have got the option. Get in touch and we can post something out to you just to show you how good this machine is. I'm going to now copy this, and I'm going to copy it and ask it to be reduced to A4. It's very easy to do, just press copy. Just do it in fast mode. I'm going to select the reduce option, like so, A3 to A4. Press the colour copy button. And away we go. As you can see, it's a very quick machine. I doubt that a laser printer would have even been warmed up by now. There's the A3 and there's the A4. Okay, now you'll notice that the output tray is extended so that the paper doesn't fall over onto the floor, but that does fold away like so. This tray has been extended so that it will hold A3 paper. This tray's only got A4 in, which is why it's flush with the front of the machine. Both will extend, but let me just show you how to do that. So there's the A3 paper. Take the A3 paper out. This plastic lid here just stops any dust getting into the tray when it's inside the machine. So we've got a switch here. All we do is compress like so, put your A4 in, and as you can see, nice and flush with the front of the machine. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is show you where the inks go, which is behind here. You've got a very large black, and they slot out very easily. And you've got individual colours, each one just slots out like so. You'll notice the colour display is telling us what to do there. When I close it, it knows that I've taken the black and yellow out, so I'm just going to say no, I haven't put a new one in. And there we go. I'm going to fold the colour touchscreen down now like so, and I'm going to unplug the machine so that I can show you a few other things. So we've got the automatic document feeder and the glass platen for photocopying something that may be stapled that you can't feed through the automatic document feeder. This whole assembly lifts up like so to give us access to the connections for USB, which we've used, and also network. This machine does have Wi-Fi, and then you won't need to use any of these connections. Okay, so on the left hand side you've got the power connection, you've got your fax connection, and you've also got the connection to plug in a telephone answering device or just a handset. And should mention as well that this machine can do fax to email. At the back you've got a bypass feeder, so this folds down like so, and you can put something in there, perhaps an envelope or some labels that you don't want to put into the paper tray. You do get a more reliable print job when you use the bypass feeder because it does go straight through the machine, doesn't bend around any rollers or anything like that. Okay, now if you have got any further questions, get in touch. Our number 0800 170 7234 and the website www.printerbase.co.uk. I'm Nick and thanks for watching.